Hello, everyone. This is John with CryptoBucks. Just wanted to show you how to register your business to start accepting crypto. Go to your device's app store and search for CryptoBucks. Download the app, open it up, and hit register. First step, we're going to take a picture or upload a photo of your company's logo. Go ahead and do that. Next, we're just going to fill in the fields for the basic registration info, legal name of your business, DBA, email address, and password for the logins. From here, you're going to receive an email from CryptoBucks with a PIN number. This is to verify that the email you submitted is yours. So we'll go ahead and punch in that PIN number. And once we do that and hit continue, you'll see the next step is to add additional security features. We'll skip that for now, but now you have access to the app. But before you can accept payments, you need to add your business info. So hit my profile, then we'll hit my add. And the first step, we'll go ahead and add your bank info. From here, make sure you have your voided check handy. We'll fill in the name of your bank, your routing number, your account number. And from here, you can upload or take a photo of a voided check for your bank account. We'll hit continue. Next step, we'll need to add a photo or an upload of a bank statement. We'll hit continue. We'll review the information, then hit accept. Next is the sensitive info for the signer. So social security number, driver's license number. From here, we'll need to upload a government issued ID like your driver's license or your passport. We'll hit accept. Next step is to fill in the signer on the account's information. So the name, title, home address, date of birth, so on and so forth. We'll hit accept. And the final step, now we need to fill in the business info, address, EIN, business type, etc. We'll hit accept. Once all the steps are fulfilled, guys, we'll hit send, and that's it. Now your application has been submitted. It takes about 24 to 48 hours for your business to be approved to start accepting crypto. Thanks for listening, guys.